Hey, what's going on guys? It's Brainbean here again, and in this video we're going to be taking a look at Corsair's double shot PBT keycap set. So with that, let's go ahead and just jump into this review. Before we get into the review of the Corsair PBT keycap set, I just want to take a minute to explain the differences between your typical ABS keycaps and higher quality PBT keycaps. Your average keycaps are made from ABS plastic, and they're typically made by painting the keys black and then laser etching the characters into the keys. Over time, the oils on your fingers can wear down the paint, wearing away the definition on the characters, and as you can imagine, when it comes to PC gaming, this can be especially true, as in most cases, we're using the same few keys over and over again when we play, just like your WASD keys for example. With PBT, not only is it a higher quality plastic with better durability than ABS, the process in which they are made make them extremely durable. Double shot means that the keycaps are made from two different colors of plastic being injected together, unlike the painted laser etched ABS keycaps that just have the character layer on top. PBT keycaps have the characters molded into the entire keycap, meaning that even if you were able to wear down the keys some, the character goes all the way down to the stem, ensuring that you won't lose any definition in the character. In short, PBT keycaps are just far superior than ABS. Corsair's double shot PBT keycaps come in both white and black. I like that in the same kit you get all of the keys for your typical 104 or 105 key layouts, and they even add some of the regional keys as well so that you can use it for the US, EU, and UK layouts. The kit also comes with a matching keycap puller just in case you don't already have one. The keycaps will work for the K95, K70, 65, 66, 63, and STRAFE keyboards. If you're considering using them for non-Corsair keyboards, they will work on any Cherry MX compatible switches. However, Corsair does use a non-standard bottom row on their keyboards, so you need to make sure that whatever board you're thinking of using these on, that they support that. As for the keycaps themselves, out of the box you'll immediately notice a difference in the feel on these bad boys. They're a little bit heavier because they have double thick walls compared to Corsair's regular ABS keycaps, adding to their durability. They're also textured, which might take some getting used to compared to your more standard smooth ABS cap. Once you do though, I think you'll much prefer the feel the texture gives you, especially if you get sweaty hands when gaming. It just gives you a little bit more extra grip. In terms of lighting, there's also a clear difference in brightness and clarity. Now, I'm personally a fan of white keycaps anyways, so not only do I think that these look pretty snappy on their own, but they also enhance the ambient lighting of the board, especially if you're using them on a board like the K95 that has that metal backplate, and not something like the STRAFE with its reflective white one. The caps reflect a lot of the light around themselves, creating a little extra soft glow effect that just isn't there with black keycaps. Because this keycap set is from Corsair, it does still come with their somewhat controversial large font, although if you're already using a Corsair board like I've been using for the last year, chances are you're already pretty used to it by now. One thing I should mention is that these keycaps are going to be significantly louder than your old ABS keycaps, so keep that in mind as well, although I'm sure a lot of you are just foaming at the mouth to get even more clack out of your keyboard, and I respect that. Just so you guys can hear what I'm talking about, of course, here is a quick sound test between the two. So let's get real for a second here. This keycap set is going to run you $50. It's entirely possible to get translucent PBT keycap sets on Amazon for around $40, sometimes even cheaper than that, but you also have to consider that Corsair's boards use a non-standard bottom row, which means a lot of keycap sets won't fit them. Overall, I've found the upgrade to be pretty significant. I like the feeling of the heavier keys and the textured surface. You can really feel the difference in quality. Of course, PBT keycaps are a luxury item. You don't have to have them, but for those of us that are more enthusiastic about our keyboards or just want to add a bit of pop to their setup, the Corsair PBT keycap set is a great way to easily make that happen for your Corsair keyboard. Well, that's it for the video, guys. Let me know in those comments down below what you think about Corsair's keycap set. And if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button because your support really helps. If you're new to the channel and you want to see more from me, of course, you can always hit that subscribe button. And if you do, don't forget to hit that little bell next to it so that you don't miss out on any of my uploads. Well, that's it for the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.